Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing everything in the new update in Animal Company, and I saw people only do the thing about the camera, which yes, there is a new camera, but there is a new bundle, the elephant bundle, and then there's some other features. So over here, if you go into the snow map, the snow is gonna be a little blue, and the snow is melted off. So yeah, there's also a little crack right here you can go into. This might have been in the old, when it originally came out, but I just saw this right now. It's like a tunnel. Then yeah, I'm just gonna die so I can get back quickly. Yep, and okay, so the pretty big update is obviously the camera, but another big one is they brought back OG sewers. So it starts right here where it usually was. Oh, that scared me. And there's the old map and stuff. It looks just like the old map, but it's just the tunnel is a little different. So that's the new update.